Hey, Spencer here from Trail Tech. Today we're doing an unboxing, or in this case, an unbagging video of our brand new trail stand. We're gonna show you everything that comes with it. So come along for the ride. Take the label off here. That off to the side, we don't need that. Comes in a nice ripstop pouch here. Super durable for the trail, so you can throw in your pannier, your saddlebag, whatever. It's gonna keep everything in there. You could even store some extra tire repair stuff if you wanted to. Anyways, super cool little satchel here. First thing that we're gonna pull out is the front brake strap. This is for when you're lifting the rear tire of your motorcycle. You can wrap this around your front brake so that the front wheel doesn't slide and you get the bike going all over the place. That'd be bad news bears. So we've got this cool little brake strap, Trail Tech on there. It's custom. And we've got the trail stand itself. It comes assembled like this. If you wanted to make this into an even smaller package, we could pull each foot off, pull the pin out, and I'll actually do it for you here. Anyways, you could disassemble the whole thing, and this would be an even smaller kit to save with you. But as I said, it comes assembled. These are the components. We've got the outer tube here, inner tube, high strength aluminum, thick walled. This is a robust product, right? This is a lift any motorcycle you can throw at it. It is not a chintzy one-use type of deal. We really are leaning on our heritage of kickstands, and we wanted to come out with sort of the definitive trail stand. So anyways, we've got our separate feet here with these very cool rubber molded Trail Tech symbols. But what these actually do is they're great for gripping any surface, off-road or in your garage, in your driveway, along the side of the road, whatever. So they're great for gripping the ground, but also they make a great surface for gripping anything on your motorcycle. It's not a metal piece, it's not a hook, it's not something abrasive. This is gonna go great on the bottom of your swing arm, bottom of your skid plate, engine case, anywhere. It's very versatile, right? So we're really happy with the way that this turned out. But anyway, so these are the 2 feet. Obviously you've got a smaller foot that goes in the top here, and the bigger of the 2 feet goes in the bottom. An important thing to note is we made it so that this bottom foot has some play in it. It's not a ton, but it's enough so that it can contour to the ground at different angles, which is important because you don't want it just rigid. But anyway, so that has a little bit of play in it. Top one does not, because that's rigid against your bike. Anyway, heavy duty cotter pin that comes along with it. And 2 different holes here, so you can really dial in whatever height you need for your specific application. So anyways, those are all the pieces that come with it. Comes in this very nice storable pouch. Keep everything in there and keep it on you for any time you need it on the side of the trail or side of the road. That's our trail stand. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. See you along the trail.